Okay, so here we go. The third platform that I've chosen is it's another one that it's on an app or it is also online. It is supported by multiple browsers and devices. It is Artsonia. And what Artsonia is, it's kind of like Class Dojo, but it's a little bit beyond that. It's specifically made for art teachers. I don't have any experience with using it. This is one of the ones that I found when I was looking for what sorts of technologies you could use in the art room. So the basic principle behind Artsonia is that this is a platform that the art teacher can use to share artworks with parents, and each student is given an ID that's their first name and then a number afterwards. So to protect their identity, they just use the first name and a number afterwards. And the parents must approve for the artwork to be used online before it's able to be shared. So I'm going to get a little bit into that in a minute. But first of all, here's what the basic platform looks like on your phone to a teacher. So it's really easy. I could keep my phone in my pocket, take pictures, and crop the images of the artworks as the students are completing them or as I'm putting away artwork at the end of the day. And then I can upload it to the Artsonia website, and the parents can see it and make comments. So we don't have anything in our school currently, so I'm just going to search Topeka, Kansas to see if there's any artwork. And here there are 17 schools in Topeka using the, well, I didn't say Kansas, so this could be Topeka, Illinois, but 17 schools under the search term of Topeka. And so the artwork is visible to anybody, and anybody can look at it, which is kind of nice because unlike Class Dojo, where the parents can't like share, hey, look what my kid's doing in class, with Artsonia they can, and then they can share that link to grandparents or whatever, and in turn then grandparents can purchase these artworks, not the artworks themselves, but they can purchase like, let's say this guy with the cool sunglasses, somebody wanted to purchase that, then they could go on and purchase products with that image printed on it. So on here, as a teacher, you can see the school's activity. So like this Pleasant Hill Elementary School here in Topeka, I got a picture of the art teachers here, and it shows that there's been 4,536 artworks uploaded by this school, and so we've got their gallery. And see here you've got the gift shop, so you can go on there and any of those pictures they can the parents can then purchase. So Artsonia is free for the schools, it's free for the parents to use as sort of as a portfolio, and you can track one student over multiple years. However, if they want to purchase that and put it on a keychain or a luggage tag, if you wanted to personalize a luggage tag with your child's artwork, you could do that for $11.95, and then the school in turn gets 20% back. So not only is this a free platform for students or teachers to use, it's actually something that can become somewhat of a fundraiser for them. So that's pretty cool. I do like the features that it does protect the students' identities. I would even imagine that if you wanted to, you could set up some sort of a surname for them. The back-end promotions and everything for the teachers, from my investigation, it seems like it's pretty easy to use. So this could be a way that I could very definitely communicate with the parents and actually serve as sort of a fundraiser and a promotional tool for our school. And since I work for a private school, we do have to do a lot of fundraising, and I in particular have to do a lot of promotion of my art program, and you know, kind of sing for my dinner a little bit, like make sure everybody knows that this is a good thing and kind of show off what I'm doing. And that's not always easy to do. So this is a great way that I could easily show off the art room and show off what we're doing down there and just, you know, show that there's value to the program. So that's Artsonia. Oh, the ISTE codes. ISTE C3D, model and promote management of personal data and digital identity and protect student data privacy. And ISTE C4A, dedicate planning time to collaborate with colleagues to create authentic learning experiences that leverage technology. And I think that you know, this is something that the students can get excited about, and they can also, it helps give them a little bit of pride in their work, you know, when their grandmas comment on here, because when you do have the galleries, the parents, I don't know if you noticed, but the parents can comment. So the students, sorry, I should have just gone back in the browser. That would have been easier. The students can post these, but then the parents can then also comment, and you can see on some of these, like, you got comments, and you know, a lot of it's just like, way to go from mom, but the parent, and then it becomes an interactive tool for the students as well, because then they can see, hey, our artwork that was posted, how's it doing? And it helps, it can be a confidence booster, and also help, you know, just help them see that artwork isn't just something that you know, generate for a purpose to fulfill the project, but it's actually something that brings people joy. So that's Artsonia.